Good evening, ma'am. I am Micah Alisitosa, your student nurse for today. So, may I know your name, ma'am?
Kate po.
Okay, ma'am Kate. Today I will be assessing your thorax and lungs. So, assuming that the patient is undressed na, and ma'am, pwede po ba kayong tumalipat? So, next one is to inspect the posterior thorax. And also, we need to assess the anterior, posterior, and lateral diameter of the thorax. Okay, so next is to palpate over the spine and posterior thorax. Next one is to assess the tactile frenulum. Ma'am, can you take a deep breath po and say 99? 99. Again po. 99. Again po. 99. So we need to assess the thoracic expansion of the lungs. Okay, ma'am, take a deep breath po. Again po. Okay, so next is we need to percuss over the posterior and lateral lung. Next is we need to auscultate the lungs. Just take a deep breath, no? Ma'am, take a deep breath po. So, assuming that we've already examined the anterior thorax, so next one is to palpate the axillae of the patient. Okay, now I'm going to palpate your axilla. Harap mo po sa akin. So, assuming that we've assist the patient in replacing the gown and then perform handhold.